In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the App Store back on your iPhone. If you've noticed that your App Store icon is missing, don't worry. Generally, you can't delete the App Store entirely. It's often just hidden, restricted, or removed from your home screen. Let's take a look at how you can bring it back. First, let's search for the App Store. From your home screen, swipe down from the middle. This opens the search box. Type in App Store and see if it appears in the results. If it does, simply tap it to open. Now here's a handy tip. Press and hold the App Store icon, and if the option is available, choose Add to Home Screen. This step is crucial because it ensures easy access to the App Store right from your home screen. Now, if you didn't find it that way, let's move on to the next method. Head over to the App Library. Swipe left through all your home screens until you reach the App Library. Once you're there, search for the App Store again. If you find it, touch and hold the icon, then drag it back to your home screen. This method is helpful because it allows you to organize your apps efficiently, ensuring the App Store is always within reach. Next up, it's time to check your screen time restrictions. This is the most common reason why the App Store might disappear completely. Open your Settings app and tap on Screen Time. From there, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you need to tap on Installing Apps. Make sure that Allow is selected. This step is important because it ensures that the App Store is not restricted from your device, allowing you to download new apps freely. If you've tried these steps and the App Store is still missing, let's reset your home screen layout. This is useful if the icon is misplaced. Go back to Settings, tap General, and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, tap Reset and choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This action will reorganize your apps and bring any missing ones back to their default positions. You will see your home screen refreshed, which often resolves any layout issues. Finally, if all else fails, restarting and updating your iPhone might do the trick. Restart your device to give it a fresh start. Then go to Settings, tap on General, and select Software Update. If there are any updates available, be sure to install them. This step is crucial because updates often bring fixes to software issues that could be affecting your device's functionality. By following these steps, you should have successfully restored the App Store to your iPhone. Remember, these steps are designed to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue without complications. If you still encounter problems, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy app hunting!